Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 3 of the Advent of Code 2024. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this today's problems. We have about a minute and 45 seconds to go. Yeah, if you're interested in more, it's adventofcode.com. It's pretty straightforward. Very soon I'm going to make this smaller like this because, well, I think it's more interesting to see my code versus the screen, which, I mean, I really only always have one screen up, and it's going to be just this one. So, yeah. We'll see. 1 minute to go. So my goal is, not my goal, but my aim is to go as fast as I can. So we'll see how it goes. The code is a little bit short, a little bit messy, but it's supposed to be, optimized for getting the job done. Just making sure my command works. And so we'll, we shall see. 50 seconds to go. Maybe I must start a little earlier today. Yeah, let me know in the comments how you did today or even in the previous days. I know that in the previous 2 days on my videos, there are more optimal solutions, but for these, you just have to solve the problem in front of you. Don't prematurely optimize, but I mean, of course, you can definitely use it as a up-solving exercise, but we all have different goals, we all have different things. Run your own race, and let's go. We have 15 seconds to go. Come on, Larry. Also, it's near a second monitor, but yeah, well. Alright, it's go time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is going on? This isn't eval, is it? Oh, that's tough. I don't have regex. Really. I don't remember regex actually. Yeah, so this is not going to be very good. It's like dot find or dot search. Is it? Okay. Pattern, which is can it have negative numbers? I don't know, honestly. I don't remember the syntax, so this is really bad for me. A find all is what I want. I'm too slow on this one, but invalid escape sequence. Is that not how I escape? Oh, that's right. This is too slow. I'm not familiar enough with Python 3 syntax. So there you go. Maybe. I mean, not gonna be fast enough, but hey, what are you doing, Larry? Oh, is there a negative number? No. No, there are no negative numbers, then what is wrong? Oh, the end line stuff. I thought it was one line. It's hard to tell. "18 seconds. I mean, I'm too slow for today anyway. This. Okay. I didn't even get a top whatever rank, so that's a little bit sad. I mean, I was too slow. Maybe I should have practiced regex things, but oh well. Oh, whoops. Tell me why. Regex, you're so crazy. Undo. That's not right, but no. 28. Oh, I see. Okay. If M if That's not right. Didn't print anything. Oh, this is a different example. Okay, so that is maybe right. I don't know, YOLO anyway. 810. Yeah, I mean, I was too slow. I don't know how to do regex. Oh, it's not something that I do often enough. How do I check again? Oh well. How did I get so slow? How did people get so fast? Oops. Huh. Alright, let's revisit this. Could I have done a little bit smarter? I don't know, I guess so. Wow, I'm kind of surprised that I did so poorly. Or is it just like a... I don't know, I feel like I'm blaming everything on ChatGPT, but people are just so fast. I mean, 3 minutes? 1 minute on part 1? Alright, let me revisit this. Maybe there's something to learn. Multiply some numbers. Oh, it's 1 to 3 digits. I actually missed that part. I thought it was going to be more general. I still don't know how people do it so quickly though. I mean, I guess if you assume that there's 3 characters maybe then. Alright. So I'm just looking at the whatever, but alright, we could take out the print. But people are fast. I guess my question now is, can I dumb it down, right? Like, can I dumb down my code to have maybe in retrospect got it faster? I mean, I guess if you know regex, you just know regex. I needed to practice that, and and it took me a couple of minutes to figure it out. And even this one, I think I didn't need this, but I wish it's just so easy to miss a parens. I guess that's why. Yeah, it's tough. I spent that, but I only spent a minute on it, so I mean, would not have been fast enough. How do it so fast? Wow, I'm impressed. I mean, maybe a state machine, but state machine in a minute is so fast. I guess today I am just stumped a little bit in terms of trying to like make it really fast. Because there's so many wrong ways to do it, right? Like it's so hard to do it without regex. I mean, I guess in certain languages it's just easier to do it with regex. I don't know. But yeah, but today basically I just did it with regex. I don't really have much to add to this. Maybe it's not that interesting, and I'm not even that fast. So this was a little bit of a disappointing day. Here's my code in case you're wondering, but I'm still thinking a little bit about how I can make this, like what could I have done if I'd gone a little bit faster? Oh, I wasted a minute because I didn't know that would be multi whatever, so maybe I forgot about that actually. So let's see, what my personal time again? So yeah, but even if you subtract a minute, I wasn't that close. I mean, this is so slow. Like, it was so fast. I mean, I could have. I mean, I typed it a little bit slow, and I did Google a little bit the syntax, but. I mean, I know regex. I just forget the Python syntax. But yeah, everything is look forward, so it should be linear time, linear space, in the worst case. Because regular expression does stuff, but if you don't do regular expression, I guess you have to do a state machine. But I feel like if you add it, how do you even do this in a minute? Wow. I mean, it must. I guess people are just faster on with I guess it just people are just fast on regex. I mean, what was the the part 2 time? Even part 2 time was fast, so I don't even think it was like. I mean, some of these views, ChatGPT, but maybe not. I mean, I don't know. Could go either way. Because I mean, if you're very dialed in on your regex, like I'm sure you could have done it in like a minute. Because I was looking for I knew what I wanted to do in under a minute, but I just didn't do it. But still, I don't know. I would say I don't know. It's either there are a lot of new people, or I don't recognize any of these names either. So that's kind of interesting. But even Q2. I mean, I also knew what I wanted to do, but I was definitely way slow. But to do this part in less than 30 seconds is ridiculous. I don't know. Color me a little skeptical, but yeah, I don't know. Let me actually fold this up real quick. Yeah, I'm just looking over the leaderboard. I don't know. Maybe I'm a little bit too. I don't know if I'm. It's just so easy to blame everything on ChatGPT these days. So maybe I'm just a sore loser. But N2SO is pretty fast, right? So like there are a couple of really fast people whom, like, if you could beat them on something like this, unless there's a track record, it's a little bit tough to say. But oh well, I am a sore loser today. It seems like. Let's see if I honestly like. I'm also trying to think about how I would rewrite this a little bit, and part 1 at least. I don't think there's like you could rewrite this with like a state machine or something like this. But there's no way that would be faster. If you ask me, right? Like there's just so much more code that I don't know. It's just easy, and it's I don't know. I'm doubting that. Part 2 could also be regex. I mean, I think I messed up that. Maybe was it in the problem? I think one thing that I didn't get a good read on was whether the entire input was one line or multiple lines. I usually do click on this to kind of look, but it's hard to tell whether this is one line or two. So I didn't really. So I just assumed that would be only one line because on a glance it looked like it's one big line, but I messed up there. So that cost me a penalty, but it wasn't the difference even, right? So I don't know. And even part 2 is. I mean, you can regex it, but it's still tricky. So I don't know. I don't know how people got it so fast, honestly, without cheating. But yeah, I don't know. So I'm still looking at the leaderboard again. Yeah, I don't know if I could have. Oh, whoops, wrong way. I don't know if I could do it any differently, honestly. I mean, you could rewrite these as state machines, like for I, and then, like there are things you can do to be like more precise, and maybe that'll be a little bit faster. But I don't envision that be the case for so many people. But I don't know. Maybe today I'm just mind blown on like how slow I am. I thought I was doing okay, but this is the one part that I actually forgot to kind of practice a little bit. So I guess I could put it in my Larry reminder block. Yeah. I don't really have much to add to this one, honestly. I think the code I wrote is mostly good. I mean, yeah, maybe you can change around with some if statements and all these things to like switch or something, or you know, they're like minor things, but I honestly I'm pretty okay with this code for the most part. Just wish I did it faster, I guess. That's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. We're gonna do it again tomorrow or month, hopefully. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.